Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about percentage of a number. Now consider 70% of 1800. 70% means out of 100 it is 70. We have to find for 1800. 70% of 1800 means it is 70 out of 100. So write 70 by 100. We have to find it for 1800 number. So now we can simplify. Simplify the two zeros. Now multiply 18 and 70. Leave the 0 and multiply 18 and 7. 7 8s are 56. So write 6 here and 5 is remaining. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. We have to add that 0. So it is 1260. 70% of 1800 is 1260. In this way we have to find percentage of a number. We are going to solve exercise 14.3. The first problem is calculate the following. 3% of 120. 3% of 120 means out of 100 it is 3 and we have to find it for 120 number. Simplify 0 and 0. Next 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. Now it is 18 by 5. Multiply 6 and 3, 6 3s are 18, in denominator we have 5. So it is 18 by 5. Divide 18 by 5. 5 3s are 15. Remaining we are having 3. 3 is less than 5. So we have to add 1 0 and keep the decimal point in the quotient. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So the answer is 3.6. 3% of 120 is 3.6. Next 95% of 240. 95% of 240 means out of 100 it is 95. We have to find it for the number 240. Now simplify 0 0. 12 into 2 is 24, 5 2s are 10. Again simplify, 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, remaining we are having 4, it is 9 5s are 45, 19 into 5 is 95. Next we have to multiply 19 and 12. We are having 19 and 12 in the numerator. So multiply 19 and 12. 9 2s are 18. Remaining we are having 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 1 9 is 9. 1 into 1 is 1. Now add 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is 228 by 1. So it is 228. 95% of 240 is 228. In this way we have to find percentage of a number. Second problem is find the following. 75% of 50,000 liter. We have to convert liter into milliliter. The answer must be in milliliter. 75% means 75 by 100. We have to find it for 50,000 liter. Now simplify 2 zeros with the 2 zeros here. Now we have to multiply 75 and 500. So leave the zeros and multiply it by 5 alone. 5 5s are 25. Remaining we are having 2. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So it is, we have to add 2 zeros. 37,500 liter. We have to convert liter into milliliter. we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Then 37,500 liter equal to 37,500 into 1000. So what should we do? In the answer we have to add extra 3 zeros. So it is 3 crore 75 lakhs milliliter. This is the answer. We have to find that number and convert that number into milliliter. So the answer is 3 crore 75 lakhs milliliter. Next, 50% of 25 kilometer. 50% means it is 50 by 100. We have to find it for 25 kilometer. 125 is 25, 4 25s are 100. Again simplify. 25 into 2 is 50. Now we have to divide 25 and 2. In numerator we are having 25, in denominator we are having 2. So divide 25 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, bring down this 5, 2 into 2 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have to add 1 0 now and keep decimal point in the quotient. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So it is 12.5 kilometer. We have to convert kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then 12.5 kilometer equal to 12.5 into 1000. Into 1000 means we have to move that decimal point 3 places to the right. If we move 1 point, decimal point will be removed. 2, 3. So we have to add 2 zeros. So it is 12,500 meter. We have to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. So add 2 zeros. So it is 12,500 meter. Next, 3% of 2 gram. We have to convert that into milligram. 3% means 3 by 100. We have to find it for 2 grams. 1 2 is 2. 50 into 2 is 100. Now we have to divide 3 and 50. 3 is smaller than 50. So we have to add 0 and keep decimal point in the quotient. Now start dividing. Again 30 is less than 50. So add another 1 0 and put 0 in the quotient. Now we can divide. 6 into 50 is 300. 300 minus 300 is 0. So the answer is 0.06 gram. We have to convert gram into milligram. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Then 0.06 gram equal to 0.06 into 1000. Now move the decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2 and 3. So the number will be 60 milligram. 3% of 2 gram means 3 divided by 100 into 2. We have to divide 3 by 50. 3 is smaller than 50. So we have to add 0 and keep a decimal point in the quotient. Again the number is less than 50. So we have to add another 1 0 and put 0 in the quotient. Now start dividing. 6 into 50 is 300. So the answer is 0.06 gram. We have to convert gram into milligram. So we have to multiply it by 1000. So the answer is 60 milligram. Fourth question is 15% of 700 eggs are rotten. What is the number of rotten eggs? 15% of 700 eggs. So out of 100 it is 15. We have to find it for 700 eggs. total number of eggs is given as 700. Rotten eggs percentage is given for, it is given as 15%. We have to find the number of rotten eggs. We have to find total number of rotten eggs. 15% means out of 100 it is 15. We have to find it for 700. Cancel the 2 zeros. Now we have to multiply 15 and 7. 15 into 7 is 105. 7 5s are 35. Write 5 here and 3 is remaining. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So it is 105. So total number of rotten eggs is equal to 105. This is the answer. Next, fifth question. The weight of a sword is given as 8 kg. It is made up of 44% of iron and 56% of other metals. What is the weight of other metals in the sword? Weight of the sword is given first. It is given as 8 kg. Iron is given for 44%. Other metals 56%. We have to find the weight of other metals. For 100 it is 56. So we have to write 56 by 100. And we have to find it for 8 kg. Now simplify. 2 4s are 8. 25 into 4 is 100. Now we have to multiply 56 and 2 and divide it by 25. 56 into 2. 6 2s are 12. Remaining we are having 1. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So it is 112 divided by 25. Now divide. 4 into 25 is 100. Now subtract. We are having 12. Now we have to add 1 0 because 12 is less than 25. So we cannot divide. So add 1 0. If we are adding 1 0, we have to keep a decimal point in the quotient. Now divide. Again it is 4 into 25 is 100. While subtracting, the remainder is 20. Again add 1 0. So it is 200. 25 into 8 is 200. 200 minus 200 is 0. So it is 4.48 kilogram. Weight of other metals equal to 4.48 kilogram. This is the answer. Weight of a sword is given. In that sword, 44% is iron, other metals is 56%. We have to find the weight of other metals. To find the weight of other metals, we have to divide 56 by 100 and multiply it by 8. If we simplify, we have got the answer as 4.48 kilogram. So the weight of other metals is 4.48 kilogram. The one, answer the following. The A question is, what percentage of a liter is 250 ml? We have to find the percentage. For a liter it is 250 ml. For a liter it is 250 ml, but here it is given in milliliter. So we have to convert liter into milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So it is 250 ml by 1000. We have to find the percentage. So multiply it by 100. Now cancel the zeros. Remaining we are having 25. So the answer is 25%. What percentage of a liter is 250 ml? The answer is 25%. To find the percentage, we have to divide the number by the given number and then multiply it by 100. What percentage of 13.5 kilometer is 4.05 kilometer? What percentage of 13.5 kilometer is 4.05 kilometer? So we have to divide 4.05 kilometer by 13.5 kilometer and multiply it by 100. Since we are having decimal point in both numerator and denominator, what we are going to do is we are going to remove this decimal point by multiplying it by 100. We are having decimal point in both numerator and denominator. So to make the calculation simple, we are going to divide it by 100 in both numerator and denominator to remove the decimal. So if we multiply 100 by both numerator and denominator, if you multiply it by 100, we have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So it will be 405. In denominator, it is 13.5. We have to multiply it by 100. So the decimal point will move here one place and here another one place. So it is 1350. We have just removed the decimal point. Now we have to find what percentage of 13.5 kilometer is 4.05 kilometer. So we have to multiply this by 100. The first step is we have removed the decimal point. The next step is we have to find the percentage. Now divide 405 by 1350. .405 is less than 1350. So we have to add a 0 and keep decimal point in the quotient. Next, we can start dividing. Multiply it by 3. 0, 5 3s are 15, remaining 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, remaining 1. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 into 1350 is 4015. So in this place we have to write 0.3. Now multiply it by 100. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So the answer is 30 kilometer. Sorry, 30%. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So the number is 30. To remove the decimal point, in the first step we have multiplied it by 100 in both numerator and denominator, and we have got this answer. Now we are going to divide 405 by 1350. The answer we have got is 0.3, and we have to multiply that by 100. So it is 30%. Next question is, what percentage of 960 is 192? So we have to divide 192 by 960, and we have to multiply it by 100. Now cancel the zeros. Next is simplify it by 2. 5 2s are 10. Here 4 2s are 8. Remaining we are having 1. So it is 8 2s are 16. Now we have to simplify 48 and 192. If we multiply 48 by 4, because 8 4s are 32. We need 2 in the unit place. So let us multiply it by 4. 8 4s are 32. Remaining we are having 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So it is 148 is 48. 4 48s are 192. Now multiply 4 and 5. 5 4s are 20. So it is 20%. We have to simplify, and we have got the answer as 20. So it is 20%. Next, what percentage of a century are 18 years? Century means it is 100 years. So we have to divide 18 by 100 and multiply it by 100. Now simplify 100 and 100. 100 is 100, 100 is 100. So 18 into 1 is 18. So it is 18%. What percentage of a century or 18 years is 18%? Ninth question is, Hari has 1 lakh. He gives 36% of the amount to his wife, 25% each to his son and daughter, and keeps the remaining amount. How much money does Hari keep for himself? The first information given is money Hari has equal to 1 lakh. Money given to his wife is 36%. %, means it is 36 by 100 into 1 lakh. So simplify the zeros and then multiply 36 into 1000. So it is 36,000. So money given to wife is 35,000. Next, 25% each to his son and daughter. So son gets 25%, daughter gets 25%. So 25% plus 25% is 50%. Money given to son and daughter is 25% plus 25% equal to 50%. 50% means it is 50 by 100 into 1 lakh. So simplify the zeros. So we have to multiply 50 and 1000. 50 into 1000 is 50,000. So money given to son and daughter is 50,000. We have to find How much money does Hari keep himself? Money Hari keeps himself equal to, what should we do, students? We have to add the money given to son and daughter and money given to wife and then subtract that number from 1 lakh. First step is we have to add 36,000 and 50,000. Add 0, 0, 0, 6, 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is 1 lakh minus 86,000. Subtract 0, 0, 0, borrow 0, 9, 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. So it is rupees 14,000. So money Hari keeps himself is equal to rupees 14,000. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So in today's class we have learnt about percentage of a number and solved exercise 14.3. Remaining problems will be homework for you. Thank you, students.